I've been building a network of crypto trading bots. Each week, I review how the bots did, how much money they made, any changes I made to the bots, any updates in the codes, and just a review of how the market did and what I think might come next. So this week's gonna be really short. Like I said previously, I started a new job that's taken up quite a bit of time. I wasn't able to do my normal Friday video. I'm not sure how this is going to carry forward in the future, but I might be doing normal Saturday videos. So anyway, it was a great week this week. As you probably noticed, crypto is doing amazing. As I've said many times, I've been expecting things to go back down, and they haven't. I thought we were going to see a regression before we actually see things pick up, and that's not what's happened. So I've been very surprised. I haven't been positioned perfectly for it, but I try to take advantage pretty much in any market. So the bots are built that way. I mean, the bots have continued to make money. This was a good week, but I made a lot more money just selling, basically trimming positions as they got high. I mean, ETH got back to 4,000. Cardano is at got to $3, looking kind of stable-ish there. Still think it's going to come back, but we'll see. Yeah, again, ETH up at 4,000. It's kind of almost hanging out there, and Bitcoin staying around 50,000, which is a really strong kind of benchmark for it. So everything's looking good. Everything's looking strong. Let's just jump quickly to the bots, and we'll just jump right in there. So, oh yeah, as I posted earlier this week, I finally hit $200 in all-time profits in about the middle of the week, which was really cool. That's a pretty fun, decent benchmark for us. And now we're at $222 in all-time profits, which is great. It's 25% gains in the money that I've had at risk. And this week, the weekly profits were $46.50. So we did pretty good. Again, no kind of crazy stellar week, but a pretty good week. Basically, being around 50 bucks each week makes me pretty happy. So I'm going to continue to try to put more and more money into the account, and scale things up. But I mean, for now, having repeated $50 weeks is pretty great. Code updates this week. I have a couple planned, and I'm actually going on vacation this week, so maybe I'll be able to get to some of those updates. I still want to build in a trailing stop loss. That's a big one. So basically, right now, what happens is whenever a trade is triggered, the sell amount, the amount that we're going to actually profit, is usually around 0.8% to 1%. So it'd be great to be able to squeeze a couple more, 0.1 percentages out of each trade if that's available. So trailing stop loss would allow us to do that. So that's on my radar. There are a couple bugs I still need to fix. So those usually take priority. But hopefully I'll have some interesting updates that I can share in the coming weeks that actually result in higher profits. So we can talk about the new profits and the code that got us there. So that's it for this week. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.
I'll put a link up in the, which side is it? This side. If you're interested in how it's made or building your own, I published 2 videos reviewing the background and the architecture and actually walking through the code and showing you how it's done line by line. So if you're interested in that, go check out those videos. I'll put a link up here to those couple videos. And yeah, just give me any feedback so I know that it's worthwhile continuing that series. That series takes a little bit more time than these weekly updates. So I just want to hear from people and know that it's helping them. Also, we have a fairly new subreddit that is /r/trading with bots, and there just publish educational content and videos that help me and sources of information that help me, and others contribute to that as well.